he had a rubber band. What?
Yeah,
what? Why?
Someone drowned him.
Tell us what happened.
What's up, guys? Today we're in Iron Mountain, Michigan.
Iron River.
Today we're in Iron River, Michigan. Back in the Iron River. Last time we were here, we stopped right up over here by the bridge. Little rapids here, so we're gonna come on, start here, and go down the river all the way to the hotel we're staying at tonight. So,
Go American.
American, thanks for hosting us, and thanks for allowing us to come up here and clean up your local waterway. Let's go find something cool.
It's not who wears short shorts. It's who's got a big tank.
Oh wow! First jar. Oh! Not sure what it says, but it's a cool one. Huh. Oh yeah, cool. A grenade mug, a bottle, and a medicine bottle right next to each other. Foot and a half of water, bottles everywhere. Up here. I got two of these mugs now. Nice. You're not finding any? There you go. It's like a slack area. There's little guys in here. Exactly. Oh, the first gun. It's a toy though. It's a toy.
That's awesome that you found a gun.
Yeah. And now we can cook a turkey in this.
Is that a crock pot?
Some kind of metal pot for cooking.
It's not a bedpan.
No, not a bedpan. Pew, pew, pew. Don't point it at me.
No, and you never put your paw on the trigger.
Until you're ready to shoot.
I learned that from Rhinelander.
Yeah. This water feels so good. Hey hon, I don't know what this is, but I think it's something special, and it's in a bag. Open it.
Aww,
It's a little deer.
Why was he abused?
I don't know.
Aww.
That's pretty cool. We found a little deer with one antler. He's special.
Like you. Iron River, he had a rubber band. What?
Yeah,
what? Why?
Someone drowned
Tell
him.
us what happened.
Just because he's missing one antler.
This is the coolest thing ever. I wonder what he did that somebody
I don't know.
made him sleep with the fishes. It's so cute.
Part of the river family now. You're wanted.
Welcome to our family.
And I found a Nokia. That's been in here for about 30 years. Probably 20 years. That's a shank.
What twirls? What do you want me to say? Ballerina bottle?
Ever find a marble before?
No. My first marble.
Let's see
It's
it.
a pity marble because you found it first.
Oh, you don't have to say that.
But I love you. Thanks for giving me my first marble.
You're welcome.
The smallest little bottle ever, and it's completely intact, and it has the cork still in it.
That is cool.
With some mystery fluid.
All I found was this wallet.
A wallet!
Yeah.
A wallet, a gun, a reindeer.
And a Nokia?
And a Nokia, and the smallest bottle ever.
Yeah.
Today was a good day. Look at that.
What is that?
You can touch it.
That's pretty cool. I can touch it. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.
It feels really heavy, but it's probably full of stuff.
I love you.
I love you too, honey. This guy. That don't belong in the river. And that don't belong in the river. Alright, so I gotta go left or right. Oh, you're hold on, stop. You're caught right here. Okay. Push it that way. Is there a regulator in your mouth in case you slip under? Should be good now, hon. A little arrow. Tough boot.
Beautiful white jar. $40 fine.
Huh.
Got a big one.
Yeah, a little one. There you go.
I just wanted it really bad.
I hear
Ow!
I deem you going head out of the river.
Iron River? What?
This one's got a really pretty design on it. Drapes. There you go. A lot of stuff out of here today. Look at all the clothes. Even pulled a couple phones out.
This is all broken glass.
A lot of cool bottles over here. Even found a pan for Christy to cook with.
And he knows I don't cook.
Once again, we had an amazing time cleaning up the Iron River, and we're always surprised with what we find.